Hello, I'm Maureen Magner, the production manager with Levil Aviation, and today I'm going to be taking you on a full tour of where all of our products are made right here in Oviedo, Florida. All of our boards are designed in-house. The first step we do is we get them in blank from the fabrication house, and we use our manual stencil printer to apply the paste. The next step to this station is the pick and place machine. A fun fact about this is it can place 46,000 components per hour. It has 96 different feeders, which allows us to place 96 different components per run. It has a 10-head nozzle system, which can place 10 components per pickup, and it is accurate within 2 microns. We use this machine to populate all of our circuit boards here. The last process to this station is the reflow oven. This allows us to solidify all of the components to the board. Here, we use different instruments such as DC power supplies, oscilloscopes, multimeters, signal generators to test out the functionality of all of our boards. At this station, we can calibrate our AHRS boards. The first step is to place them into a freezer, allow them to get to freezing conditions, and then we place them onto hot plates to bring them up to about 120 degrees so that we're able to calibrate and make sure they work across a full temperature range. This step is really important because we have customers flying in Alaska, Northern Canada, Florida, and Texas, and we really want to make sure our products are able to work in all temperature conditions. The next step is the magnetometer calibration. This is a Helmholtz coil that allows us to cancel out Earth's magnetic field so we can calibrate to a true north. We like to call it the time machine around here. The last step to the AHRS calibration is this machine. This allows us to calibrate the acceleration and the integration of the AHRS to make sure that it is working in operating conditions. This is one of our many assembly stations. This is where we take all of our circuit boards, put them together to create the final product. Here we can also do our rigorous testing procedures, which is done to every single product that we make right here in-house. And this is our customer support station. This is James, he's our lead circuit board technician, and if you ever call in with a tech support question, this is who you'd be speaking with. This is our final station where we pack the products that come straight to you. Thanks for coming along on this tour, and if you're ever in the area, please stop in for a visit.